Leonardo da Vinci inspired the concept of paint by numbers, but some people consider it too simplistic, lacking artistic merit. But the thing is, it's a great confidence booster and an easy entry into creative expression. And there's anecdotal evidence suggesting that it's therapeutic. I got into paint by numbers after a car accident left me housebound, and it gave me something meaningful to do. Dan Robbins, the creator of Paint by Numbers, was inspired by a story that Leonardo da Vinci used numbered sections to guide his students. Now, while there's no hard evidence that da Vinci actually did this, Robbins loved the idea, and he turned it into a way for everyday people to be able to experience painting. And it's become so popular, it's among the best 100 hobbies of the century. And you don't need any knowledge, experience, or expertise to be able to do it. Just match the numbers with the corresponding paint pods to create your own beautiful result. And it's a creative way to spend time, have fun, and relieve any stress or anxiety. However, some people are put off trying this method because they think it's too easy. But the thing is, it's not just about the painting. Whether you're feeling stressed, looking for something peaceful, or just want to try something new, this hobby has so much to offer. It reduces stress and anxiety, and there's something meditative about focusing on the colours and the numbers. Your mind slows down, and those worries just fade away into the background. How good would it feel to hang your own painting instead of a poster or a painting that someone else has done? Among the benefits of paint by numbers is that it improves your patience and your focus. If you ever feel that your mind is all over the place, this is a great way to train your mind to slow down and be present. And it gives you a great sense of accomplishment. There's nothing like stepping back, looking at your finished piece of artwork and thinking, wow, I made that. It's also a great social hobby. If you like doing things with a group of people, this is perfect. There are community centres, churches, even online groups like meetup.com or Facebook, and they often get together and have sessions where each person does their own particular artwork. And the best part, you don't need any experience. Just follow the numbers. So getting started is super easy. You can find Paint by Numbers kits online or in craft stores, and they come in so many different designs. There's flowers, landscapes, animals, even famous paintings. Just pick one that you like, grab a cup of tea or coffee or a glass of vino, and get started painting. So if you're looking for a hobby that's relaxing, fun, and gives you a real sense of achievement, give Paint by Numbers a try. I'd love to know, have you ever tried it, or do you think you might give it a go? Please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribe for more creative and personal growth videos. So until next time, cheers for now, bye.